If the Earth were to suddenly stop spinning for just 1 second, the consequences would be catastrophic. The Earth's rotation plays a crucial role in shaping our planet's climate, geography, and overall functioning. In this video, we will explore the myriad effects of such an abrupt stop, ranging from the immediate to the long-term consequences. While 1 second might seem insignificant, the intricate interplay of Earth's rotation with various natural processes makes this hypothetical scenario a fascinating thought experiment. The sudden cessation of Earth's rotation would trigger an initial set of immediate consequences, impacting both the planet's surface and its inhabitants. It's important to note that the Earth's rotation is a complex, dynamic process that contributes to the fundamental aspects of our daily lives: inertia and rapid deceleration. Earth's rotational speed at the equator is approximately 1,670 km per hour, 1,040 miles per hour. If it were to stop suddenly, everything on the surface, including the atmosphere, oceans, and objects, would continue moving at this speed due to inertia. This would lead to a rapid deceleration, resulting in immense forces, tidal forces. Tidal forces, driven by the Moon and the Sun, depend on the Earth's rotation. If the Earth were to stop spinning, these tidal forces would no longer be balanced, resulting in dramatic shifts in tides and ocean currents. Coastal areas would experience extreme changes, with rapidly receding or advancing shorelines, atmospheric effects. The Earth's atmosphere is in constant motion, driven by the Coriolis effect, which is a result of the planet's rotation. A sudden stop would disrupt this motion, leading to turbulent winds and catastrophic weather events. The sudden cessation of rotation could result in massive storms, supercell thunderstorms, and even tornadoes, extreme temperatures. The abrupt stop of Earth's rotation would lead to extreme temperature variations. The day side, with no rotation to spread heat evenly, would experience scorching temperatures, while the night side would plunge into freezing cold. These extreme temperature fluctuations could lead to wildfires and frost damage, seismic activity. The sudden change in the Earth's rotation would likely trigger seismic events. The redistribution of the Earth's mass would result in earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. These geological disruptions would pose a significant threat to both human populations and infrastructure. Oceans and lakes. With the Earth's rotation ceasing, the waters of oceans and lakes would continue moving, creating massive waves and disturbances. Coastal regions would be severely affected, leading to the flooding of low-lying areas, collapse of buildings and infrastructure. The rapid deceleration would exert tremendous forces on buildings, bridges, and other structures not designed to withstand such an event. Many structures would collapse, causing widespread damage and endangering lives, disruption of power grids. The sudden stop of Earth's rotation could result in a massive electromagnetic pulse, EMP, that would disrupt power grids and electronic devices. This would lead to widespread power outages and communication failures. As the immediate chaos subsides, short-term consequences would begin to unfold. These include a series of significant disruptions that would affect the entire planet: magnetic field disruption. Earth's magnetic field is generated by the motion of molten iron in the planet's core. The sudden stop of rotation would disrupt this dynamo effect, weakening the magnetic field. This, in turn, would leave the planet vulnerable to harmful solar radiation, potentially damaging or destroying satellites and electronic systems. Climate shifts. The disruption of Earth's rotation would lead to radical climate shifts. The planet's climate zones would be severely altered, with unpredictable weather patterns. Many areas would become uninhabitable, and regions that were previously cold could become much warmer, and vice versa. Ecological collapse. Ecosystems would be thrown into disarray, with many species struggling to adapt to the abrupt changes in temperature, wind patterns, and daylight. Mass extinctions could occur as ecosystems collapse, impacting food chains and biodiversity. Astronomical changes. The cessation of Earth's rotation would disrupt the predictable day-night cycle. Days and nights would last for weeks or even months, depending on your location on Earth. This could have profound psychological and physiological effects on living organisms, including humans. Loss of satellite infrastructure. Satellites in geostationary orbit rely on the Earth's rotation to maintain their position above the planet. With rotation stopped, they would drift, causing disruptions in telecommunications, weather forecasting, and global positioning systems, GPS. Global disorientation. The sudden cessation of rotation would cause widespread confusion and disorientation among humans and animals. Biological rhythms, such as circadian rhythms, would be disrupted, leading to sleep disorders and psychological stress. Agricultural disruption. Agriculture, which relies on the predictability of seasons and sunlight, would face severe challenges. Crop yields would decrease, and food production would be severely impacted, leading to potential food shortages, technological and economic crisis. The abrupt stop of Earth's rotation would disrupt global supply chains, leading to an economic crisis. Transportation and trade would be severely hampered, causing a global recession. Over the long term, the consequences of the Earth's sudden stop would continue to shape the planet's future, with profound changes to its climate, geography, and habitability. Extinction events. Many species would face extinction due to the inability to adapt to the new climatic conditions. The disruptions in ecosystems would lead to a cascading effect, resulting in mass extinctions. Geographical reconfiguration. The redistribution of Earth's mass due to the halt in rotation would lead to changes in sea levels and land masses. Coastal regions would be drastically altered, and new landforms would emerge. Climate stabilization. Over time, the climate might reach a new equilibrium, with different circulation patterns in the atmosphere and oceans. However, this would take decades, if not centuries, and the new climate might still be unstable and unpredictable. Magnetic field weakening. The weakening of Earth's magnetic field could make the planet more susceptible to harmful solar radiation and cosmic rays. This would pose long-term health risks for living organisms and could also affect technological infrastructure. Ecosystem evolution. Over an extended period, surviving species would adapt to the changed environment, and new ecosystems would emerge. These ecosystems would likely be significantly different from what we know today. Astronomical phenomena. The sudden stop of Earth's rotation would have implications for how we observe the cosmos. Astronomers would need to adapt to the lack of Earth's rotation for astronomical observations, affecting our understanding of the universe. Cultural and social changes. The disruptions in daily life, including the absence of a regular day-night cycle, would necessitate significant cultural and social adjustments. Societies would have to develop new ways of organizing work, leisure, and daily routines, exploration and colonization. Humans might be motivated to explore other celestial bodies, such as the Moon or Mars, as potential new habitable environments. The abrupt stop of Earth's rotation would underscore the importance of space exploration and colonization. In summary, the hypothetical scenario of the Earth suddenly stopping its rotation for just 1 second would have far-reaching and catastrophic consequences, ranging from immediate chaos to long-term changes in the planet's climate, geography, and habitability. It would disrupt ecosystems, alter weather patterns, trigger seismic events, and have profound social, economic, and cultural impacts. This thought experiment serves as a stark reminder of the intricate and delicate balance that sustains life on Earth and the critical role that our planet's rotation plays in shaping our world as we know it. While such an event is purely speculative, it highlights the fragility and interdependence of our planet's natural systems and the need for careful stewardship of the Earth's environment.